when the spirit of adventure awakens. When a perfect road trip is due, and when it's time to get on rough terrain. You need a special companion that makes your journey worthwhile. Welcome to the pinnacle of British engineering. This is the 2017 Range Rover Vogue. A truly luxurious off-roader designed to pamper you in the toughest conditions. An intelligent air suspension ensures that smooth ride you always dreamed of, regardless of the terrain type. The iconic exterior design matches the perfect interior. The panoramic roof provides 360 views for you to enjoy the beautiful sceneries. The tech-packed Vogue has a beautifully crafted interior and a spacious cabin, with seats that feel like you're in a first-class airliner rather than a 4x4. The V6 3-liter turbo diesel is a well-balanced choice for your everyday needs. It produces 258 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque, and averages only 7 liters per every 100 kilometers you drive. The Meridian 875 watt surround sound is designed to make it feel like you're in a live concert, with 19 speakers placed in strategic locations. And this 2.4-ton beauty only takes 7.5 seconds to reach 100 kilometers from a standstill. This was a Cars and Shutter production. If you liked this video and you would like to see more, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your car buddies.